Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video of Daily 5 Arithmetic series. So today we will discuss mixed arithmetic questions. So let's get started. Mary's annual income is 12,000 more than the Sarah's annual income, and Mary pays 4,400 more in charity than Sarah. If Mary pays 20% of her income into charity and Sarah pays 16% of her income into charity, then what is the Mary's total income? Okay, so from the data I can write the Sarah's, let the Sarah's income be I and the Mary's income will be 12,000 more than Sarah's annual income. So that is 12,000 plus I. And they had also given that Mary will pay 4,400 more in charity than Sarah. Okay, so Mary amount giving to charity will be equal to 4,400 more than Sarah's amount which is she is giving to the charity. Okay, so that is what I have written here. This is Mary pays 20% of her income, that is 20 by 100 of 12,000 plus I, so that will be equal to 16 by 100 of income. That means the Sarah told that she will give 16% of her income. Okay, so that's why I have written 16 by 100 into I plus 4,400. So after simplifying this, I will get I value as 50,000, and they asked what is the Mary's income. Means this 50,000 plus 12,000 will be equal to 62,000. The next question, a boat can cover 36 km in upstream and return to starting point in 5.4 hours. If the speed of the stream is 1.5 km per hour, then how much time taken by the boat to cover 48 km in downstream? Okay, and I think this is no need, so we can calculate here. Now we know that the boat while going upstream and coming downstream, so it is traveling the same distance, means 36 km. So that divided by the speed of the boat in the downstream, that is u plus 1.5 and plus 36 divided by the speed of the boat in upstream. So u minus 1.5, so that will be equal to 54 divided by 10. Okay, then after simplifying this, I will get 36 into u minus 1.5 plus u plus 1.5 divided by u square minus 1.5 whole square, that will be equal to 54. Okay, so after simplifying this, so finally we will get u value as 27 divided by 2 and minus 1 by 6. Okay, so usually this value should be positive because speed will not be negative, so that's why u will be equal to 27 by 2 will be the answer. So that is 13.5 km per hour. And they asked what is the total time taken by the boat to cover 48 km in downstream. So here we got the speed and we got the distance. So distance by speed will give you the time. Okay, that is 48 divided by 13.5 plus 1.5 will be equal to 3.2 hour. So then next question. A train of length 1144 meter crosses a pole in 22 seconds. The distance covered by the train in 50 seconds is equal to the length of the platform. A boy crosses the same platform in 17 minutes 21 seconds. So what is the speed of the boy? So here they had given the length of the train, which is 1144 meter, and from that we can calculate speed will be equal to distance divided by time taken. Here the distance will be 1144 divided by 22 will be equal to 52 meter per second. So here we got the speed of the train, and since we got the speed of the train, so here they had told the distance covered by the train in 50 seconds is equal to the length of the platform. Okay, so the distance means, so here I got the speed, so speed into time will give you the distance, so that will be equal to 2600 meter. And here they also mentioned that a boy covers the same platform in 17 minutes 21 seconds. Okay, so here the time will be 17 minutes plus 20 minutes, so that is 17 into 60. I will get the time in the form of seconds, so total I will get 1020 plus 20, which is equal to 1040. Okay, and we know that the boy covers the same platform, and we know the length of the platform will be 2600, and he covers in 1040 seconds. Okay, therefore his speed will be 2.5 meter per second. Next question. A and B invest rupees 2400 and rupees 3600 respectively, and for different number of months. Sum of their time periods of investment is 7 months. If A's share out of the total profit of 17,000 is rupees 8,000, and for how many months has A invested this amount? So here the A will invest 2400, so I will write it as 24 for the easy simplification. Okay, and he invest for X months, because we don't know how many months he going to invest, and then which is divided by the amount invested by B. So it will invest that 3600, so I will write it as 36, and he also invest for some certain months, so that's why I have written Y, and that will be equal to the profit share shared by A will be 8000, and the profit share shared by the B will be 9000. So I have written that in the form of whole number ratio. Okay, so after simplifying this is 8 is a 24, 3 9 4 are 36, therefore X will be equal to 4 and Y will be equal to 3. And in the question they have asked how many months has A invested, so and therefore the A will be invested for 4 months. Then, so a jar contains 80 liters alcohol. So from the jar, 8 liter of alcohol was taken out and replaced with water. So this was repeated 2 more times. So find the quantity of the alcohol left now. So here actually, so since they are replacing the same amount of liquid, so therefore we can use the formula, that is x into 1 minus y by x. So this is the initial value of the solution, and this is the amount of liquid which we have taken out, and this is the initial solution. Okay, and that will be multiplied by up to the power, means how many times we are going to extract that liquid. Okay, or we will take out, remove the liquid. Okay, and therefore let me substitute the values here. So initially there was 80 liters of alcohol, and that is into 1 minus, and we are taking out 8 liter of alcohol, so that divided by the initial solution which is 80 whole power, and we are replacing it. So here 2 more times, means already 1 time we have taken out, so that's why here it will be 3. Therefore 80 into 8 minus 8 divided by 80 whole power 3, so that will give you 80 gets cancelled, and remaining 2 80s will be there, and it is 72 divided by 80 into 80. So finally we will get 8 into 7.29, so that is 58.32 liters. Okay, so this is the final like quantity of alcohol which is left in the jar. So that's it. I'm done with my daily 5 arithmetic questions. So please do subscribe and support for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.